representations of three-dimensional figures. Our objective is to draw representations of three-dimensional figures. Who uses this? Architects make many different kinds of drawings to represent three-dimensional figures. The two we're going to use in this lesson are orthographic drawing and isometric drawing. An orthographic drawing shows 6 different views of an object: the top and bottom, front and back, and left and right sides. An isometric drawing shows 3 sides of a figure from a corner view. Let's try drawing an orthographic drawing. Drawing orthographic views of an object. We have the top, bottom, front, back, left, and right. There's the 6 views. The top one was given to us. If we look down at the top of the figure here, we'll see that there is 3 box tops that we can see. So the top of this red one, the top of this green one here, and the top of the purple one back here. Well, if we flip it over and we look at the bottom, we'll see the bottom of the blue, orange, and purple. The front refers to the front of this figure here, so the figure that you can see nicely. So it's these 5 boxes. So we have 3 tall, that goes 3 tall on the left, and then 2 tall on to the right. So your front view will be 3 with 2 next to it. The back will be basically the reverse of that. So if you're looking at the back of this figure, you'll see 2 and then 3. Now you have left and right. So if this is the front of your figure, then you have the left side that comes in this way, and the right side that comes off to this side. So you'll see 3 and then 1 coming this way for the left, and then the exact reverse for the right. Okay, well, there's your orthographic views. Now let's try an isometric drawing. Now, when you're drawing an isometric drawing, the dot paper that you would use, the dots are not perfectly lined up. So notice how this dot here, for example, kind of is in the middle of these other 2 dots to its right. Well, that's kind of the same for all of them. So, to start one of these figures, you want to start with the top of one box. So you're going to make a diamond. So like a diamond here, like this. You're going to make a diamond to start the top of a box. And then you just kind of finish off one box. Well, you have now completed your first isometric box. Now, the figure off to the right, you'll see that you have 3 boxes stacked up on top of each other, with 1 kind of in front of it, and then 2 off to the left. So let's try to put in this 3 tall. So we have 1, 2, and then a third one is hidden back here. So we have 1, 2, and then 3. And then we'll finish off the second box. Now you can't see the orange one that's behind here, this orange one, because this green one kind of covers it up. So we want to draw in this green one. So for any box, we start with the top of our box, and then we complete the box. Alright, well now we have this L-like shape here. But don't forget, we still have this yellow box and purple box that we still need to draw in. So, the top box is this yellow one. If you notice, the edge of the red box here and the yellow box, they're kind of one gigantic long line. So, you can extend the line of the red box into the yellow. And now, make your top of your yellow box. Well, this goes 2 boxes high, so come 2 boxes high. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now you kind of just have to finish them off. So there's 1 box, and the second box. And that completes the isometric view of an object. And that also completes our lesson on representations of three-dimensional figures.